Who do you think you are?
I asked him if he wanted to make a fire. And I guess he does. You want to make a fire? Go outside? We'll cook some steak? Yeah? You do? Are you sure? Yeah? Okay, let's go. Let's do it. Hey!
Hey guys!
We are hanging out at home tonight.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna cook some churrasco steak, which is skirt steak. We're gonna make some loaded broccoli. We're hanging outside with the dogs, and Kim is going to attempt a fire.
Woohoo!
So come hang out with us.
It's gonna be like in the high 60s tonight.
Yeah.
So I'm like, finally,
Let's do it.
cool enough for a fire.
Yeah, not in the 90s, so we're
at,
good.
we're at Dollywood all day. We didn't eat much. We're starving. So come hang out with us.
Yeah, hopefully it'll be a good dinner. We are Kim and Aaron, and this is Zach and Cody. We are best friends living and traveling full-time in our renovated RV, Lucy. We have been on the road since October 2020, so please subscribe to join in on all the fun.
RVTV. K&E RVTV. Sing it with us.
RVTV. Who's this young man jumping all over me?
What are you doing?
He's feeling frisky today.
Cody.
I asked him if he wanted to go to Disney World, and this is what happened. You want to go to Disney World? Yeah, you do? Okay, couple months and we'll go, okay? Okay?
You do? You want to go? You
Yeah.
want to go to Disney World, Cody? You do want to go? Oh yeah? Okay, we'll go.
Big stretch.
Chef Aaron.
We are making churrasco steak tonight, which is skirt steak. So I started marinating it last night. I put some Worcestershire, Italian dressing, onion powder, garlic powder, some raw onion, some fresh garlic, and some Tony seasoning. I just let it sit all night. So we're gonna grill this outside on the black stone. I'm gonna make some broccoli that I cooked some bacon earlier, and then I saved some of the grease in this pan. I'm gonna pan roast the broccoli in that, and then we're gonna top it like a big potato. So that's what we're doing today.
Keto.
I'm hungry.
Starving.
So hungry. Alright, so I'm going to start pan roasting my broccoli because I can use that inside while I have the black stone outside. It's kind of the annoying part about cooking in an RV is you can only use so many appliances at once because you only have so much wattage available. So I kind of have to like pace all of my meals. Yes, I'm sorry, amps available. So I kind of have to pace all my meals. But today, since we're going to use the black stone, I can cook in here too because we're not using the same power source. So yay for that. Alright, so like I said earlier, I have my rendered bacon fat still in my skillet. I heated it up and I'm going to take my frozen baby broccoli florets and toss them on in. And I'm just going to like slow cook them in the skillet just to kind of roast them around, get them a little brown so we can top them like a baked potato. Woo!
Great success.
So far so good.
We did it.
No lighter fluid.
Yes, I'm excited. I could stare at this all night. Here's what the Great Smoky Mountains are looking like this evening. I think our new spot is gonna be somewhere over here that we have to move very soon.
But I'm kind of excited to have a different view because actually the way this other spot's lined up, our front door will be on the other side. So I think we'll get like a different view, but I think it's far enough away from the creek to not really have to worry about flooding for the next couple months. So I'm excited for a change. All right, my black stone's heated up. I got my avocado, garlic infused avocado oil going down.
Yeah, garlic infused.
Yep, we're gonna heat that up, and then we're gonna throw this churrasco on this bad boy.
You're special.
I don't know. I feel the need even when I'm in a grocery store. I just have to like, if I see like a big like chuck roast or
Smack
something,
the meat.
I have to smack it. Like, is it just me? Like
Smack
other
it,
people do this,
smack
right?
it, smack, smack. Looks good. How long has that been marinating for?
Since last night.
Since last night.
So like less than 24 hours, but almost.
Yummy.
Now I'm gonna take the onions that I had. I put raw onions in here as well, so they can plop on down, make some magic happen.
This is a pretty thick churrasco, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Can you smell them, guys?
I wish smell-o-vision. That should be the for real thing.
How's it going?
I have to flip this bad boy.
Ooh. Yes.
These onions smell amazing.
So good.
light the situation.
Yeah. Still late.
Whatever works.
It's getting dark out, but the fire's giving us light.
Yes, and it's a little warm.
Yeah, there's definitely a little chill in the air.
Yeah, when the breeze comes by,
Yeah.
it's nice. It's comforting.
It's like 68 now.
I'm so happy. Everything worked out.
I don't want to feel 90 degrees ever again.
I know. At least we're going to Florida in November, so it's like the not hottest time of the year.
I don't want to talk about it. Let's talk about this fire. Yes.
Alright, our onions are almost there. It's so crazy how onions cook down to like nothing. This is 2 whole onions and it looks like nothing. But our steak is pretty thick, so that definitely is going to need a few more minutes. But I am definitely excited. I'm hungry. You ready for this?
Yes, I am.
You're gonna eat it anyway, right?
Yes, I will, and I like it. This guy's looking pretty over here on this side too. Gorgeous night. Zachary, are you having fun outside? He's not the craziest outside person, especially at nighttime. He always wants to be inside in the dark. Cody, on the other hand, you just chilling over here by the fire? Yeah. Cute puppy. Fire. Cute puppy. Ready. Yummy.
So I had some asparagus marinating that I forgot about, so we had to start the grill up
She
again.
had it marinating in the microwave.
Luckily, it's only gonna take a couple minutes. I just want to char them, but yeah, I completely. I was like, "Where's the asparagus?" Oh yeah, dodo bird. We didn't cook them.
At least the black one heats up quick.
Oh yeah, and they've been marinating for a while. So I like to marinate asparagus because that initial like skin around it, it breaks down better when it's in a marinade. At least when I cook it, I prefer it like that. So
Yes. I love it. Here's a look at our dinner, our churrasco, our loaded broccoli, and our asparagus.
I'm mixing all mine up over here.
Give it a taste, girl.
Let me taste the steak. Somebody say steak.
No, you say, did you say steak?
I haven't had churrasco in so long.
I'm not gonna lie, I wish that we had some sweet plantains and some black beans and rice.
Sweet potato too, but
Churrasco is like a South Florida thing, like a Latin thing, so we're used to getting churrasco a lot. We haven't had it in a long time, so.
Yeah. It's been a long time.
So, my favorite asparagus are like the really thin, small ones. Do you like those better than big, thick ones?
More like tender. Got a lot of flavor.
Yeah. And the marinade, I think it helps to make them really good. Watching RuPaul's Drag Race finale.
All Stars, baby. All Star season.
Who's gonna win?
Here we go.
Ginger.
That was good stuff.
Stick a fork in me. All done.
That was really good.
All done. I just have onions. Can I help you?
No.
Can I help you?
Oh no.
Oh,
you're a lucky one.
I'm a bad mama. He's just so cute.
We always say we're not gonna give him any more people.
He's just so cute.
And then we do.
He's just so
Stop
cute.
it. That's enough. He's gonna get the poops. They have both of them have sensitive stomachs, so they get the squirts, we call them.
How's my fire doing after eating? Oh, not that good. Let me give it a blow. I had to play around with it a little bit, but it's going again. You happy, Codes? He loves just sitting by the fire.
Oh my god, he loves it so much. He's an outside puppy.
Zachary, you okay over there?
He's on the bed.
So can we go inside now, please? She's so pretty.
I love the heat from a fire. It's just so relaxing.
I know. It's still tank top weather.
Yeah.
But just with the chill in the air.
Exactly, so we can enjoy the fire, not have it sweat us out.
Yes.
Kim is a good fire tender.
I just love to keep playing with it.
But she keeps it going. Like, we got one piece of wood that's just been, it won't quit. But I love it. We could literally sit out here all night long. Cody's hanging out. He's laying, I don't know if you can see, there he is. He's laying by the fire. Zach's hanging out by the door because he wants to go back inside. Thanks for hanging out, guys. We appreciate you all, for real. Thanks for hanging out with us tonight, guys. We had a great time. Dinner was so good.
Delicious. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm so glad we got to have a fire. The weather's great. I'm excited for fall.
Yes, stick around with us, guys.
Yeah, if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. Turn on your notifications so you know what we're doing. Leave a comment, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye.
Have a good night.